Hey guys, welcome to another day in the life. Per the usual, it's another busy day in my life with 6 kids. I work from home. I have a toddler. While my other 5 kids are at home, we try to spend as much time together. I try to do some learning activities with him. But today we are playing a little bit of catch up because I was tired last night. I wasn't feeling that well. So I left a huge sink full of dirty dishes that I normally do not do. So today I've got to hustle harder. I've got to do double time the things that I missed yesterday plus today's adventures because, you know, it's always an adventure. Another injury around here. My son got hurt playing football again. So we have a doctor's appointment. I've got to give baby a bath. I've got to do some cleaning up. We've got to do some homework because we got a lot of missing assignments that we've got to tackle today. Last week, I just kind of let things go and we had a fun week, but now it's time to get down to business and get things done. Also trying to encourage my 3-year-old to start sleeping in his room for nap times again. I'm going to be setting up a camera, which I think is going to really help. How many dinosaurs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5? Oh wait, there's more.
4.
I love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Because we are such a crazy busy family with all the sports that we have going on and such, sometimes we don't have time to do bath time at night and have that relaxing evening, especially when most nights I'm getting home past 8:30, 9 o'clock from sports. So I've decided that, you know, the last few kids, I take my time during the day while the other ones are at school. It's more of a relaxing experience. We're able to get more of a bath time, and I'm able to just kind of spend that time with them during bath time because it should be fun and relaxing and not chaotic and rushed. Just peaches, 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 peaches. I love you. He is so hilarious, and right after bath time, I knew he was tired, so this was a perfect time to try to get him to take a nap in his room. And for nap time, I knew I needed some reinforcement. So I thought it was time to go big and get the Anona Pano AI security camera to watch him. My toddler is rambunctious. He likes to climb on things. He likes to test his skills, and I need him to be safe. It covers the whole room in a 360 way. You can have up to 4 cameras at one time. With 4K ultra high definition sensor, we're able to experience amazing quality video, and Pan will automatically detect and follow moving objects and record videos. It has free AI recognition and it detects babies crying or pets moving in and out of the room. The One-Touch Physical Blocking Plus app controls allow you to quickly switch off when your family needs a little bit of privacy. Now, I'm not a big fan of new gadgets because the setup and install process can be a little bit intimidating, but this one literally took minutes. Just plug it in, scan the barcode, it talks you through, and we're up and running in less than 2 minutes. It gives me so much security that this can watch my child from sleeping to playing or anything in between. It even supports a 512 gigabyte micro SD card if you choose to record. I highly suggest watching your little one, especially during these busy toddler stages. I will put the link for you of the exact one that I have down below in the description. Because there's never a dull moment in my life, I am running out the door to get my son from school to take him to his orthopedic appointment. He pulled a hamstring in the last football game, so we need to address that quickly so he doesn't miss too many more practices because we need him in the game. Also, we are feeding the football boys tonight. I'm like out of breath from bringing everything in. I left 4 cases of water outside for my husband to deal with. I'm just not doing it today. Hopefully it doesn't get swiped from my porch. It shouldn't. But we are feeding 40 boys plus coaches, probably some siblings tonight as well for after practice. We always feed them on Thursdays before a game. So I got 4 packages of 24 hot dogs. There's 100 hot dogs here. And I got, I'm saving one of these for later. I'm gonna put it in the freezer, but I got another barbecue baked beans with brisket. I planned on making homemade baked beans, but I don't have enough time today. So my go-to is to put this in a pot and add a lot more chili beans to it. It's very sweet. It doesn't need to be that sweet. So adding more chili beans to it will stretch even further. So we'll do this with probably like 4 or 5 cans of beans. Yeah, and then I am gonna make this like chorizo and bean tortilla wrap. Okay, hold on a second. Next week, so I got some pinto beans to have on hand for that. And then a sweet treat for Mama, I got some true fruits, strawberries, we love it. Bananas, never had it, I'm sure it's amazing. But Tazeo likes bananas. And then I did get a potato salad, did not have time to make a homemade one. We're gonna scoop that into these cups. Tazeo, close the door, my love. Bought these 5-ounce single serve side containers off Amazon. So I'm gonna use a scooper, scoop the potato salad and the beans in these so each boy can grab one of each. Got some cream cheese because we got some fresh pumpkin bagels from Trader Joe's we want to eat up. And then, yeah, and then I got some chicken thighs because, yes, you may have one. I got some chicken thighs. We're gonna make these tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna be making man-pleasing chicken with like vinegar and honey Dijon mustard. It is so amazing. I'll film it and post it for you guys on my stories. So let me put this away and then I'm gonna run and get Ace from school to his appointment, come back. We got lots more to do. We have football and volleyball tonight. I also have a mound of laundry that I meant to get done this morning, but I didn't have a chance. Luckily, the boy took a little bit of a nap, so we're refreshed to go on for the rest of our day, right? Okay, let's put this away.
We can do better. We could be chasing dreams. We know what's right, and we know how it feels. Yeah, we can do better. We can make a change for real.
Dinosaur nuggets and tater tots to go in the cart because I know the boy is hungry for lunch.
We can be facing fears. We know what's up, and we know how to get there.
Raining so hard. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's been raining so hard for the past 2 hours. I was driving so slow on the freeway to the doctor's and home from the doctor's because I was just so scared. We stopped and had Chipotle, brought some home to the rest of the crew because we were starving and my cycle started and I just needed some iron. So I got like a steak burrito. It was really good. On to the next thing. But I did want to update you guys on what the doctor said. So if I didn't explain it in a previous vlog that you've seen already, my son last Saturday during tackle football practice, he just like went down and a kid went on top of him. And we thought he had like a cramp in his hamstring, which he normally does, and a certain hamstring in the hot weather. We're trying to keep him as hydrated as possible. But it turns out that it just kind of started getting a little bit worse. He can walk, he can go to school, he can do regular things, but he's not doing football practice for either his tackle or his flag team right now. And it hurts when he's sitting at his desk for like long periods of time. He has to like lean to the right to get off his left hip. So we just want to figure out what's going on so that I know that I'm properly treating him and helping him recover as soon as possible. They did an x-ray on him. Everything looked fine. So the doctor is inclined to think, not a for sure diagnosis, she's inclined to think that he possibly has a small herniated disc. It sounds like worse than it is because he seems fine. It just hurts when he like bends down or sits on it and runs. But there was nothing found in the x-ray, nothing wrong with the hamstring. She says it does feel a little bit tight, but maybe he is still trying to recover from like a really bad cramp, you know, that just kind of does a little bit of damage. But nothing was showing on the x-ray. They wanted to do his back specifically because he was complaining of like inner buttocks, slight pain, you know. So she thinks there's might be like a small herniated disc and then it's causing a little aggravation to the sciatic nerve a little bit. I don't know if I believe that with the sciatic nerve because he doesn't seem like he has sciatic nerve pain. My mother-in-law has it and it's pretty bad. And it's like, you know, I don't know. I'm not sure. But she said, let's watch it for the next 4 weeks. We have a physical therapy place that I really, really like nearby that I used for like my frozen shoulder. So we're going to do that. Just going to see how it goes. He's very disappointed that he's going to be missing football for the next 3 to 4 weeks. I don't even want to break the news to the coaches. He's on 2 different teams. We are really, really hoping that it's more like 2 weeks rather than 4 weeks. She said that if it's a minor herniated disc, that it could heal faster than a hamstring. She said she saw hamstring cases that were like going on for multiple months, even 6 to 9 months. Crazy. I don't think it's that bad. Most people can't do physical therapy only by maybe like once a week, but we are going to do it at least 3 times a week. We're going to try to get it done. We're going to get him back in shape as much as possible, just for his own health. Not because I want him to go back to football, but just because I want him to feel good sitting in a chair at school, you know? Okay, so we're gonna move on. I'm gonna do a little bit of computer work. We're gonna get some laundry done. We're gonna get dinner started. Ace's football was canceled because it's raining. Even though he's not playing, he still goes and just helps out and supports the team. We were gonna make dinner for the boys tonight, so we're gonna do it tomorrow night instead, at practice tomorrow night. And Avea is gonna go to an extra practice for volleyball today. Yeah, so it's just a busy day. I'm going to do a little bit of computer work, like 10 minutes, answer some emails. I'm going to go downstairs and I'm going to help the kids with their homework. We've got a lot of homework to wrap up. Then it's dinner, then it's laundry, and then it's the rest of the night. So enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.
to Senator Robert Smith. Hi, my name is Lily Giordano, and I'm reporting from Channel 5. My name is Lily Giordano, reporting from Channel 5, responding to Senator Robert Smith. He states that fecal transplants make people sick. My evidence is I think poop is gross, and everyone knows that poop did not contain anything healthy. Well, I think he's wrong. My claim is a fecal transplant can work to cure a patient infected with harmful bacteria.
Lily here, reporting from, you know what I mean? Instead of saying, hi, this is Lily, I'm reporting from. Just take a deep breath, slow down. You don't have to go so fast, okay? You don't have to go so fast, just go at even pace so that you're pronouncing things correctly.
Lily Giordano here, reporting from Channel 5, responding to Senator Robert Smith, who states that fecal transplants are...
Okay, tonight we are making lasagna soup. I've got 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound mild Italian sausage with salt, pepper, and a whole onion chopped up really small. And I use some olive oil to get that going. Avea is making this cheese mixture with 15 ounces of
ricotta cheese,
whole milk ricotta cheese, 1 whole cup. Did you do half a cup?
2.
Oh, you did 2. Is that it? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then how much Parmesan are you supposed to do? Let me see.
Oh, big ball in there.
the science event.